G'day guys and girls, my name's Jamie Gray and welcome to another BCM Tough Test. I'm here with my good mate Matty Page. How are you, bro?
Good mate, how are you?
Mate, I'm pretty cool because we haven't got one, but we've got two awesome new die grinders from Bosch. What do you want to share with everyone what you've got in your hot little hands?
Yeah, man, well, I've obviously got the corded version. I have the GGS 28 LCE.
Perfect, and I'm packing the GGS 18 volt 23 LC cordless. So why don't we stop gas bagging and we'll delve into a little bit more of the detail because there's some great features going on board.
Sweet.
So Matty, let's have a look at my grinder first, mate. So it's the GGS 18 volt 23 LC. This thing is an absolute weapon. It's pumping out 1,000 watts, which is more than most standard corded grinders. And that's all, I guess, due down to the brushless motor and the awesome Procore batteries. So Matty, this grinder is packed with some awesome safety features, which on a tool this powerful is obviously really important. So we've got drop control, so it's on, falls off the bench, falls out of your hand. It's not going to stay on and bounce up into your shins and cause havoc, which is fantastic. It's also got kickback control, so you know, whilst using the device, if it should bite or grab, it's not going to kind of come back at you and cause any nasty little mishaps. And it's also got the brake as well, which is fantastic. It'll slow down nice and quick, and it's also got restart protection. So if the tool's left on and you swap batteries and put the new battery in, even if that switch is still on, it won't start. You've got to turn it off and then turn it back on and you're back in business. And last but not least, Matty, it's got great Bluetooth connectivity to the Bosch Toolbox app, which means you can get in there to those advanced settings and really fine-tune your device. So for all those reasons, buddy, I'm really impressed with this little unit. The freedom of cordless for when you're on site and you want this power, this 1,000 watts is obviously awesome, but there's still plenty of occasions where a nice corded version is going to do a better job. So what kind of features have you got going on with your grinder?
Yeah, mate, well, we're in the workshop conditions now, which is where this excels as well. You don't have to constantly swap the batteries as well. The corded GGS 28 LCE. We've got a powerful 650 watt motor. We've got the direct cooling as well, which is going to keep the motor nice and cool. Got the constant speed in there. We've got a speed selection, so you can adjust your speed very well.
That's easy to dial up and down, isn't it?
Yeah, we've also got the kickback control as well for jamming, and we've got the overload protection as well.
Yeah, and I think this has actually got the auto soft start as well. So when you turn it on, it ramps up gradually rather than just sort of kicking in. So Matty, there's some great features in there, and I can definitely see the benefits for actually owning both of these devices, particularly for a business like where we are today down here at Swap Fabrication at Monavale. I know these guys are regularly using corded and cordless.
Okay, so now we're going to demonstrate the drop protection. Going to switch it on and let it fall. Hopefully it turns off. Okay, we're still in the on position and it's switched off.
So Matty, all in all, the Bosch grinders have gone really well. What do you reckon?
Yeah, mate, great performance, great power. Yeah, it's really impressive.
So Matty, you actually use both of the grinders, so personal experience or preferences, what was your favourite?
Definitely the 18 volt one, just because I'm more of a site-based person.
Yep.
But this would be better suited for someone in the workshop.
Yeah, excellent. All right, no worries. Well look, we guys hope you enjoyed this Bosch review. Two great new grinders available now, so make sure you jump into your local tool store and check them out. And from Matty and myself, tuning out for another BCM Tough Test, make sure you stay really safe on site. Catch you soon.